This is a slightly modified version of the basic monkey. It allows you to get a little more wild. Of course, we're going to use a 360, but it's still fairly quick. So we've got a 5-inch round in white that I've blown up to about an inch. Then I've got a 260 with about 2 inches uninflated on the end, and a 360 with about 4 inches uninflated on the end of it. We're going to start with the 360. I'm going to make basically what amounts to a round bubble on the end. Then I'm going to make a smaller round bubble behind that and make that into a pinch twist. And then another round bubble about the size of the first head. This is going to be his muzzle, ear, head. I'll need another ear, so another smaller round bubble like that one there to make another ear. Make that into a pinch twist. And then we're going to twist all 3 of these together, just like on the little one. And there you have our monkey's head. And then I'm going to take my 5-inch round, divide it into 2, of course, to make the eyes, make sure the knot's in the middle. And then just come from the back of the head, bring one on either side. Cross them over to lock them in place. There's your basic monkey's face. Okay, now we're going to take and make about a 1-inch bubble for his neck, and then a small bubble for his shoulders. Make that into a pinch twist. Then we're going to come down and make about a 4-inch bubble for his body, and then another pinch twist at the other end. Now I'm going to take this pinch twist and split it in 2. Give our monkey a bottom. Pop off the excess and secure that in. And there's the body. Now we're going to take our 260, take the nozzle, and you're going to start by twisting it into the bottom where you got your split pinch twist, like that. That's pretty good. Now we're going to make about a 5-inch bubble, a little longer than his body, and then another bubble just slightly longer than that. What you want to get is real sit like that. It'll be a leg and an arm. He's going to have his hands on his feet. Go up and twist that into his shoulders. So you have one leg, one arm. Then you're just going to repeat that with another arm and a leg going back down. And there. Come back into the pinch twist on the bottom. So you've made it just basically 2 little triangles. Give his tail a little bit of shape. And you've got a fairly quick and easy monkey, but because of the 360, it makes him bigger, and so you'll get a little bit more wow effect. But this guy's quick enough that you can work him in lines and things like that, because he doesn't take too terribly long.